Matt Bowe with Allaire Homes Hunt Country. Welcome to a recent project of ours down here in Lake Anna, Virginia. We're excited to show you this beautiful project. Let's go inside and take a look. So the star of this show is obviously the lake and all of the recreational opportunities it provides. So as the design was developing, as you can imagine, everything was about open up the back of the house to the lake. And I'm standing in the great room area here where the family spends most of their time, and what you see behind me is a multi-slide door that creates a 30-foot by 10-foot tall opening connecting the inside to the outside. So again, another goal for the client was to tie the inside to the outside. They obviously are here for the recreational opportunities, and they definitely wanted to be able to have a large outdoor covered patio area to enjoy the lakefront. And we've also included a fireplace here for the cool evenings and plenty of room for guests to gather, as you can see. We've incorporated really beautiful timber frame elements to this to sort of pick up on the natural surrounding, the wooded environment that the house is located in. We really enjoyed working with this client to create this new house. It is particularly enjoyable when you have a backdrop like that to work with and to relate design to. We hope you enjoyed touring the house with us. Stay tuned for our next video where we talk about some of the challenges that we came up against developing this property. I'm Matt Bowe with Allaire Homes Hunt Country.